Please comment, like,
share, and subscribe.
Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. Spicy, tasty vegan cuisine. Yeah. Good day. This is Mama Naasira, Spicy Tasty Vegan in the Gambia. I'm about to make some smoothie. And since my chefs aren't here today because of their Tabaski holiday, I've decided to put some things together. I had started it earlier this morning before going out to grocery shop for the kale and all the other vegetables. And I refrigerated it. So here I am. I have my kale, which is really excellent for having green smoothies. And since green smoothies are popular among many people, but for some reason I learned that you can mix good vegetables, organic, with fruits. Some people were told differently, but I do it this way and it has helped well. So I'm adding the kale and I'm going to tear it up. And I have, by the way, 2 blenders. This is an older model, got 10 years. This one is new, 2 years, but there's a glitch in it. So I'm going to have it returned to the folks from America that does it in the UK. So I have that done. So with this blender, because I have so many things in here, I need to have it in a bowl so I can do it little bit by little and put it in so it doesn't get too full where it doesn't blend well, especially if it's kind of getting weak and older. So right now I'm putting I need to get a knife real quickly. Thank you. And here I have all my knives. And I'm not really that 100% prepared, but I do need to find my the chopping board. So I'll use this one for right now. Chopping board. So I chop some of this up real quickly. And to be careful to have claws, hands, so that you don't accidentally butcher yourself. So okay, so I'll put all this there in the blender. And I'll add these bananas. I didn't have any bananas, but I did add 4 plantain in here. And plantain is actually more nutritious than bananas. So this will make this will just give it that fullness and the thickness. It will be an entire meal. And sometimes we need these meals to have for the first 2 or 3 hours of our day. You want something that you can take in, where you can put in the seaweed I have here, coconut, I just bought that, fresh baby coconut, moringa, no, not moringa, excuse me, mangoes. I also had avocados. I added cucumbers, and some of these things are better for me to mix it and not let it spoil because we don't have a lot of children. But we do have guests that come so they can enjoy it. I have almonds in here. Since at times you can make almond milk, but instead I'll just put it all together in here. Okay, so let me hurry up. And this is the bananas. Bananas. Okay, we'll just mix it up this way. And I think maybe I'll add just a little bit of this apple. You know, just a little bit. This is from Morocco. So I picked up some today. Okay, so and I'll put a little salt on it too. It's nice to put that, and look at that. But to be careful that some of these things have stuff on there. You have to make sure you take it off. Otherwise you'll be eating something that's unhealthy. Okay? Actually, we can put all of this in there for sure. Every once in a while, I get so particular. I don't want to put the seeds or the the cork. Yeah, but it's all good. It's all healthy. So I'll just do half of this. I don't want the smoothie too big. It can last up to maybe 3 or 4 days, depending on what you add to it. Okay? And so there's one more thing that I would like to get, and that's ginger. So let me grab some ginger real the ginger really well. Chop it up quickly. And we put this in because we need ginger that helps to detox. I like it because it has some kind of healing to the body that makes you feel, you know, that pepper, the natural pepper instead of like red pepper. Sometimes I used to add cayenne pepper to my smoothies, but it's not something I've done myself. But I think that's what I'll start doing again. Ginger. Ginger makes nice smoothies too. But thank you for sharing this moment with me. This is my husband that always wants me to share with the world. We have a videographer here, so we get an opportunity to share my smoothie that I've been making for probably over 25 years. Except it's just more enhanced since I've been in the Gambia, because I'm also learning how to become more nutritionally bound to more plants. I'm still learning, and I think this is what we have. We also have some of the Gambian beesop in here and potato leaves. So not only do we have the kale, but we have them in here, and as you can see, herbal teas mixed in. This is similar to like what Dr. Sebi does. Yeah, he does mainly seaweed, and yeah, there was something I just mentioned that is really good that he likes. But anyway, we got it all here. So we're just gonna blend it, and then we'll come back and show you what it's like, and we'll taste it. Thank you. Spicy, tasty vegan in the house. Mama Naasira. Now this is the foundation of the before blending it. So what I like to do, I usually like to taste it. And since I have a guest here who's helping us, I want him to taste it and let me know what you think. Is there anything you can think besides the ice? Woo!
That tastes good.
It tastes good. Okay, it really does, didn't it? I'm telling you. Okay, so now we're gonna add the ice because we need the ice to make sure it doesn't affect the blenders. Because sometimes that's probably what happened to my other one too. So we have to kind of, you know, watch out for things that can break our appliances. But here's the ice. I always keep my ice cubes no matter what. I even have an ice maker, and I don't know how to work it. But I just asked this young man, one day we'll sit together and get the instructions written. So here's the ice. Ready or not, no matter what it tastes. And these stems, I usually add these to it, but today I'll just freeze them for next time. All right. Or should I add it in? You think we got a minute?
How do you feel? Like adding it?
Yes. Because you said it.
Follow that.
Because this is, we need as many nutrients in the body, and they're here. And this is from my friend's garden here in the Gambia. You know, she's from Lebanon. Her father has been in farming for many, many years. And unfortunately, they want to close her down. But, you know, we need a garden from someone who really cares, and she seems to care. So, yes, I was privileged to go there and get some kale from her today. But we need more places where we can get kale so we won't have fear that it won't be there if we let the whole world know. So we need more gardens like that. Okay, here are the stems. We really needed the stems. We got the gin. We don't have garlic, but that's okay. So right now, everything I mentioned, it's here. We're gonna blend it, and we'll come back and let you know what it tastes like. Thank you. Peace. Please comment, like,
Share and subscribe.
follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. Spicy, tasty vegan cuisine. Yeah. It started now. Okay. So I need one more bowl. Juices when I have large quantities. So we'll take and this is my filter water from America, multi-pure. Really nice system. So we use this where it takes out all the contaminants. Multi-pure. Okay. And this is for washing your fruits and vegetables, drinking water, And when you want to wash dishes, or when it doesn't matter what the water's for, we have the other river tap. Okay. And so I like to get a paper towel real quickly. This for me, please. Paper towel. Sometimes I find it faster to clean with paper towels than towels. Okay, so what we're gonna do, I'm gonna plug this up. Everything is on. Making sure everything is going well. Okay. Okay, so first of all, I think it's better. And to let you know that I haven't made a smoothie in probably 2 months because my staff usually does it for me. So I have to go back into my memory and bring up my way of doing it. So here we are. You guys are going to really give me an idea how well this tastes on the first try. Because it's mixed well enough that you can drink from this first amount. And then I'll add more juice to it because this blender is not as strong. But I know it's going to do a good job for us today. I just want more. Okay, and I'll add water to it. Make sure it's nice and... I can't think of anything else I need to add to this. I think I may want to add some more almonds. And I'm looking at them, so it's really cool. I can add more almonds to give it that protein. And there's one more other thing I like to add. I have plenty of cashew butter. This is going to be a really good meal. And this is the way I make my smoothies. I have made smoothies where it has taken me 4 hours, literally. But I'm not going to do that today because I'm much better now. So this is Gambian's, what is it, cashew butter. And it's very tasty. And it's a farm here in the Gambia. If anybody interested, let me know. I'd be happy to recommend those wonderful brothers as we video recorded them 3 years ago, and now they're more successful and got a new warehouse. So, yes. Okay, so it's just what I've learned in this life. I have recipes that I follow, but I also like to do things hands-on, just put it all together and see the outcome. Okay, here we are. So it's all here. We shall start. We are done. It looks so good. I love it when it's green. The best nutritious thing ever. And one thing I've learned about it, it doesn't matter if it has the really fine taste or not. What's important is what you put in this thing. And that's what you drink. What's the quality of what you add here that's going to help your body, during this season. To be stronger and to get through all these rainy storms that's coming into America. I mean, not America, but the Gambia. Okay, we're going to try it. So, brother. Excuse my spilling it a little bit. Wow. Uh-oh. I want you to try it. And I got a napkin for you. So you can try it. Try it. And then, Dr. Joe.
Thank you.
You're next. In fact, let me see if I have to do it smaller. And as you know, I turned it off before the alarm gone off. Why? Is because there are times that I may not remember how long it's blending. How is it?
It is good. It's good.
Is it good?
It's good.
Yeah. Okay.
Nutritious.
Very nutritious. You taste it? Woo! I'm so happy. This is my first blender. My first smoothie in 3 months. Yes.
Wow.
So thank God. Thank the ancestors. Thank all of those that have gone on, you know, to make sure that we get this out to the world. That's all we need to do. And we'll just do it one mouth at a time. All right.
You're here.
Here. Woo, this is so nice. I don't know. And you know, as I told you, I'm not really worried about drinking it right now. I just want to see the looks on your faces. And then that helps me because I like to one day become a breatharian, and I'll be the one that just eat just a little something every once in a while, drink good water, breathe good air, have a nice time in the pool, the water, and dance every once in a while. And just see everybody eat this good, spicy, tasty vegan food. Here you go. This is for my photographer. And when shall I get my glass?
You can share with me.
Oh, I can share with you. Thank you.
Sharing is caring.
Absolutely. Oh, it's very, very nice.
I finished it.
It's very nice.
It's empty. I don't know who did this.
It's so good.
What happened?
I'm gonna have to get out for one later.
What happened?
Yeah. Yeah, we're gonna have to end this video so we can finish this smoothie.
Oh, this is so good.
Oh, are you still videotaping? Wow. Wow.
This is great.
You're missing out.
And that's why I make about 4 or 5 of these, because this can last up to 3 to 4 days.
Can I have some more, please?
Oh, of course you can. Yeah, you too. Come. This is the first meal of the day. After you drink all the water you can drink, maybe a banana or something, but this is a real meal. This is brunch.
Yes.
Yes.
It's already grounded.
You can bring. No, help yourself.
It's already, you know,
This
you don't
is
need to chew for this.
No, you can just drink it. And I used to drink this before I retired from my job as a library technician. I used to bring a big thing of smoothie, and guess what? I would drink that and would not have any more food for 4 hours.
You see?
First meal.
What does that say?
4 hours. I would not have to worry about eating. When my husband used to make it many times, because I would be doing some other things, and we used to spend hours preparing food through the week to make sure that we can retire without being on medication. And that's real. It's real. So many of my colleagues, I don't know if they had a love affair with going to the doctor so that they could avoid working. I mean, I can understand it, but me, when I ate like this, I didn't pay those people any attention, because my mind was thinking, you know, that's their problem. I'm here to get this job done so I can move on to the next level. So that's what I've done. So thank you guys for sharing this wonderful experience. Smoothie, I don't know exactly what you want to call it, but I consider it more spicy, tasty, vegan cuisine. Mama Naasira, Dr. Joe, my brother Lennox, who's been supporting us. We just want to thank you. Cheers, a happy birthday still to Dr. Joe. Delicious. Please comment, like,
Share and subscribe.
follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. Spicy, tasty vegan cuisine. Yeah.